This 2019 Forest River Georgetown XL 369DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Lebanon, Tennessee, 37090 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Nashville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2019 Forest River Georgetown XL 369DS is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.